Hello everyone, today I'm going to do another oil change for the Mazda cx5, and you can see now I got 8,061 miles. Okay, so this is second oil change for this car. Alright, follow along everyone. Okay, this is what I'm using today. Okay, and new crash washer too. Alright, let's check out the car. Okay, got them on the right point, way in there. So let's check the other side. Okay, I hope you can see better. So I'm gonna start loose up this screw. It's just an 8mm. Camera is down right there. See it? There's a clip here. Okay. There you go. And of course, there's another one here too. And the cover came off. So of course there is a drain plug, oil drain plug, and again your oil filter right here. Here we go. Down here a little bit. One. Go back to where it belonged there. Okay. It's down to a drip now. I also replaced a new crash washer. It's brand new, okay? So I don't want it to be a leak, but you can use more than one. So I'm going back in. And so not crossing thread anything. That should be good. Should look like good. Alright. It's not going to come out. But again, can get all over my hand. Okay, do it. Right? Alright. Okay. So I want to make sure the gasket is come with it, and it is, right? Keep pulling. All right, this is my new one. Right? Come out the old, go with the new one. Hopefully I know my hand blocking it. See, went up. Just tie it by hand and then give it a small turn. Because my hand is oil slippery, so I don't want it to be leak, okay? Should be good. And I'm gonna go add oil. Good. Take the oil cap out. .8 quart. So you can see about a minute left, but I'm gonna start right now. Check the oil and then load the car down. This way I can check, be sure there's no leak. Right? Okay. Put my oil cap back on so when I start the car, it don't splatter everywhere. Okay. All button up. Check no leak, okay? I'll refill the oil. Camera can't pick that up.